Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you how to disable real-time protection on Windows 10 laptop. So let's see. Very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here where you have your start menu. Right, click on the start menu. This is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to simply go to settings, and just like so, it takes you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to update and security. So click on that. Then it takes you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply come to the sidebar right there. Click on Windows Security. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to Virus and Threat Protection. Click on that. And this box is going to pop up just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and then simply navigate to Manage Settings. Click on that and take you right here. What you need to do is to simply turn off this particular button. And with that, this is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on yes. And with that, you have disabled real-time protection on your Windows PC. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to turn off Windows real-time protection on Windows 10 laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Windows tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.